Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about strategies to cut unnecessary spending and increase savings. Part 1. Cutting unnecessary spending and increasing savings are key steps toward achieving financial freedom. Here are some effective strategies to help you achieve these goals. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Categorize your expenses and identify areas where you can make cuts. Identify non-essential expenses. Differentiate between needs and wants. Focus on essential expenses and reduce discretionary spending. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back without significantly impacting your lifestyle. Limit impulse purchases. Avoid making impulsive buying decisions. Take time to evaluate whether a purchase is necessary or if it's a fleeting desire. Consider implementing a cooling-off period before making any significant purchases. Use cash or debit cards. Paying with cash or debit cards can help you stay within your budget and avoid accumulating credit card debt. Leave credit cards at home or use them sparingly for emergencies. Negotiate bills and subscriptions. Review your recurring bills such as utilities, cable, and internet, and negotiate for better rates or consider switching providers. Evaluate subscription services and cancel those you don't use regularly. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. Opt for cooking at home, which is not only cost-effective, but also healthier. Plan meals in advance and create a shopping list to avoid unnecessary purchases. Shop smart. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons when shopping for groceries and other essentials. Compare prices online and in different stores to get the best deals. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the temptation to increase your spending proportionally. Direct extra income, such as bonuses or raises, towards savings and debt repayment. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can eat into your savings. Prioritize paying off these debts to reduce interest charges. Consider debt consolidation to lower interest rates and simplify debt management. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account right after receiving your paycheck. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense to ensure consistent contributions. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund will prevent you from resorting to credit cards or loans during unexpected situations. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget and track your progress. Adjust your spending habits as needed to stay on track with your savings goals. Remember that cutting unnecessary spending and increasing savings require discipline and consistency. Small changes in your spending habits can add up over time and significantly improve your financial situation. Stay focused on your financial goals and make mindful choices to achieve long-term financial freedom.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.